Have you ever wondered how countries settle dispute without going to war? Who decide international legal conflicts between nations? The answer is the International Court of Justice, commonly known as the ICJ. In this video, we will understand what the ICJ is, what it does, who can approach it, how it functions, its jurisdiction, and how it differs from the International Criminal Court or ICC. Let's begin. What is ICJ? The International Court of Justice is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. It was established in the year 1945 under the UN Charter and officially started functioning in the year 1946. The court is headquartered at the Peace Palace in The Hague, Netherlands. Its primary function is to resolve legal disputes between sovereign states peacefully and to uphold international law. Think of it as the world's highest court for dispute between countries. What does the ICJ do? The ICJ performs two major functions. First, it settles legal disputes between sovereign states through peaceful judicial proceedings. Second, it provides advisory opinion on legal questions referred by authorized United Nations organs and specialized agencies. Although advisory opinions are not legally binding, they carry significant legal, diplomatic, and political influence and often guide international decision making. Who can bring a case? One of the biggest misconceptions about the ICJ is that anyone can file a case before it. That's not true. Only sovereign states can be parties in contentious cases before the ICJ. Individual, private companies, and non-governmental organizations, other private entities, cannot directly approach the court. This makes the ICJ unique because it is a court exclusively for states. How does the ICJ work? Let's understand the ICJ's procedure step by step. A legal dispute first arises between two or more countries. The state must accept the court's jurisdiction through a treaty, a special agreement, or a declaration accepting compulsory jurisdiction. Both parties then submit their written arguments and evidence. The court conducts public oral hearing where both parties present their legal submissions. A bench of 15 judges elected for 9 years term carefully examine the fact and the applicable international law. After deliberation, the court delivers its judgment, which is binding on the parties involved. If a country refuses to comply with the judgment, the matter may be referred to the United Nations Security Council. Jurisdiction and types of cases. The ICJ exercises two types of jurisdiction. The first is contentious jurisdiction, where it decides legal dispute between sovereign states. The second is advisory jurisdiction, where it provides legal opinion to authorized UN organs and specialized agency. The court commonly deals with cases involving boundaries and territorial dispute, maritime delimitation, treaty interpretation, diplomatic relation, use of force between states, and environmental disputes. These decisions help clarify and strengthen international law. Many people confuse the International Court of Justice with International Criminal Court. However, they are completely different institutions. The ICJ settles legal disputes between countries and is the judicial organ of the United Nations. The ICC, on the other hand, prosecutes individuals, not states. It tries people accused of the most serious international crimes, including genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and the crime of aggression. In simple words, ICJ deals with dispute between states, while ICC deals with crime committed by the individual. Why is the ICJ important? The International Court of Justice plays a crucial role in maintaining international peace and stability. It promotes the peaceful settlement of disputes, strengthens the rule of law, develops important principles of international law, and encourages cooperation among nations. Instead of resolving conflict through military force, countries have a legal forum where disputes can be settled through the justice and diplomacy. This makes the ICJ one of the most important institutions for preserving global peace. The International Court of Justice is the judicial arm of the United Nations. It peacefully resolves legal disputes between sovereign states and provides advisory opinion on important questions of international law. Understanding the ICJ is essential for law students, UPSC aspirants, judicial exam candidates, and anyone interested in international relations or global governance. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nology for more easy to understand legal contents. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.